While practicing for Paper 6 IGCSE Chemistry exam, you should aim not to lose more than 6 marks to secure an A star. Here are 5 simple steps on how you could prepare for this exam. Step 1 should not take you more than 2 hours. You're going to be revising the theory part of chemistry related to Paper 6. Do revise methods of separation, especially chromatography and crystallization. Next, revise separation of salt, especially titration. Energetics and rate of reaction are very important topics, but you're going to revise them while you're solving the exam papers. Print the data sheet about identification of ions and familiarize yourself with the key terms. There are specific words that will help you to find the answers much faster. For instance, when you see the word barium, this means they're actually testing for sulfate. And if they mentioned silver, then they are testing for one of the halide. In step 4, you're going to be solving full exam papers. You have a total of 15 exam papers to solve. This should take you no more than 2 days because the exam papers are quite short from the years 2023 until 2025. Do 12 of those papers for practice and leave 3 as mock tests. I will soon post a video on how to plan an investigation for paper 6, which is the most challenging question in that exam.